Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your computer's ability to turn it off or go into sleep mode after however many minutes. So this is definitely a common issue I've run across, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So pretty straightforward, and we're going to jump into it by opening up the start menu, and you just want to type in Control Panel. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 devices. Just want to put that out there. So back to the start menu here, we're going to left click on Control Panel. Just left click on that one time. You want to set your view by up here to large icons is what I would suggest. And then you want to go and left click on Power Options. Now whatever plan is currently selected here, you want to go over to the right and left click on Change Plan Settings. So if you want to turn this ability off for your computer to turn off or go into sleep, you want to set both of these items to never. So again, just set both of them to never. And then once you're done with that, left click on Save Changes. And you might have to restart your computer, and hopefully everything should be good and you achieved what you were looking to out of the video. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.